Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Car repair services that come to you. It seems like we go online to order just about everything these days. Why not car repair? NuBrakes is offering services in 9 markets in 4 states and says CEO Walker Drewett plans to expand across the country. He says for customers, convenience, competence, and lower cost are the big attractions, and the technicians are all full-time employees. As for the kinds of work that can be done wherever you happen to be, think preventive maintenance.
That's going to be everything from oil changes to brake repair to suspension to spark plugs, alternators, battery replacements, tire rotations, all of that we're going to do right in your driveway.
At less cost, Drewett says. There's more info at NuBrakes.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.